Get ready for this tutorial, girls. Today, I am designing for Schiaparelli. First, apply top gel tan nude. Then go in with Teflon matte to block chrome. Now, with my white metal fat gel to draw. And the chrome should only stick to the background. I'm applying 3 layers of clear texture gel to add volume. Now, chrome it, and I'm gonna put chrome base onto chrome the second time. It's how I achieve the molten metal looks. I'm using white art gel and pigment base to fill in the tips. Then matte everything slightly overlapping the chrome. Now using Shandit to protect my gold chrome. Next, I'm using my white texture effect gel to draw. This product speaks for itself. As you can see, the texture doesn't really blend back together. Also use my clean liner brush to engrave it. Now I'm using alcohol to remove the shine of the gel. And this is a full ensemble, darling. The 3D lobster, I also have tutorial on a different lesson. Now it's time for you to get back to practice. Bye.